Hello, my name is Benjamin and I'm a marketing specialist at Nicgrade. In today's lesson, we'll teach you how to create automated marketing campaigns based on an email and web form that you have created in our previous lesson. As with the previous lesson, we find ourselves on the dashboard. So, to create your new marketing campaign, click on Automation section. Here you can create a campaign, default program, or an email program. Let's start by creating a campaign. Click on the campaign button, enter campaign name, for example, lead generation. As of now, you cannot add it to any program as you have not done it yet, so leave this field empty. Click on create. You can now see the overview of the campaign that we have just created, and in the following minutes we'll see how to fill it up with all sorts of data. At first, let us define the triggers for our campaign. Click on the triggers section, and as you can see, there are many triggers, such as an email triggers or web activity triggers or some other triggers. For our example, let's use fill out the form trigger and choose the form which we've created in the previous lesson. With the trigger defined for our campaign, we can then add a segment to it. We can either select an existing segment or create a new segment. The segments allow you to define which users will take part in this campaign. For the purpose of this lesson, we will not be creating a segment as we want to have all of our users participate in the campaign. With our segment chosen, we can then add the flow to the campaign. Here, we choose the actual actions which will act from the triggers that we have defined before. So for our trigger where the user is filling up our form contacts, we can then add an action of sending an email. Let's add an email and choose the greetings email which we have created in the previous lesson. With the triggers and flow defined, we can then add a schedule to our campaign. So it will happen either only once or every time the user is filling out the form. Let's switch to only once. In the last tab, you'll see all the user activities once the campaign is run. To save the campaign, click on the green button, and to start it, click on play button here. Now that our campaign is running, we can return to the overview tab and see the details of it. Our triggers which we've created previously, the flow that happens to the users who take part in it, and the members of the campaign, which will show up in the membership trend. This concludes our lesson for today, and previously we have learned how to create an account on Nicgrade automated marketing platform, how to create content such as emails and web forms, and how to use this content in automated marketing campaigns. Thank you for your attention and looking forward to hearing from you.